The beginning of 2020 was not the easiest for the whole world. We were faced with one most rapidly spread disease called COVID-19. Many people got fired or sent to unpaid leave. Planes stopped flying around the world. Tourists have stuck without ability to return to their homeland. No one expected such a scales. No one was ready. No one took it seriously. But when numbers around the world began to grow up, the world has stopped. And so our journey began. One of the citizens of Uzbekistan, Farouk Saifullayev, in collaboration with General Consulate of Uzbekistan, created a group in social networks in order to share information with our fellow citizens. So day by day we have noticed more and more messages where people were asking for help. Besides that, there were many people who offered help. We needed to filter inquiries, sort people, find those in need, and guide those who want to help. This is how our group of volunteers has been created. Every day more and more requests start to appear in our volunteer squad increased too. On daily basis we were receiving minimum 3 to 4 inquiries from people in need. Some people were short in food, some were not having medical supplies, and most of our requests were about accommodation. Despite the fact that everyone were going through difficulties, we received many calls from people who offered not only financial but logistical, medical and food supply. It was a very harsh time. Consulate and volunteers were working 24/7 in order to assist more people. To all who volunteered, we say thank you. This event would not have run smoothly as it did if you had not put in long hours driving around all the Emirates, packing food and medical supplies, waiting for people. Together we made a difference in our community. Together we made a difference for Uzbekistan. Hope people around the globe will adopt our experience. First of all, we would like to express great appreciation. No words are enough to thank you for your kindness, which has provided us with the hope and courage to make everyone's life better, to help and support each other, and to be united during bad and good time. We would never accomplish even near what we have done without your contribution. We would like to sincerely thank you for your support. Government of Dubai, Royal Family of Emir Gulen, Dubai International Airport, Sharjah International Airport, Russian Orthodox Church in Sharjah. All of you have such a caring and giving heart because without your support during pandemic, it would not have been possible. With your donation, we were able to provide not only food for more than 2,000 people on a daily basis, but also place to sleep. On behalf of Uzbek nation, we truly and utterly appreciate the United Arab Emirates for letting us feel at home. There is no greater nation that makes us feel more welcoming and at peace.